If you're looking for the best marketing courses on Coursera, this video covers the top 3 programs that stand out for their ratings, reviews, credibility, and career value. Before we jump in, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, there's a limited time offer that gives you 40% off 3 months of Coursera Plus. Starting at number 3 is IE Business School's Marketing Strategy Specialization. This beginner-friendly specialization has earned a solid 4.5 out of 5 rating with more than 6,300 reviews. You'll learn market research, customer analysis, product strategy, value propositions, and strategic marketing. If you want to understand how successful companies develop winning marketing strategies, this program is an excellent choice from one of Europe's leading business schools. At number 2 is the University of Illinois Digital Marketing Specialization. This highly respected specialization has an impressive 4.7 out of 5 rating with more than 23,000 reviews. It covers digital marketing campaigns, customer engagement, social media, digital advertising, marketing analytics, and modern marketing tools. It's one of the most popular marketing programs on Coursera and is ideal for anyone looking to build practical, job-ready digital marketing skills. Taking the number 1 spot is the University of Pennsylvania's Introduction to Marketing. With an outstanding 4.8 out of 5 rating and over 13,000 reviews, this course consistently ranks among the best marketing courses on Coursera. You'll learn branding, customer analysis, marketing strategy, product positioning, target markets, and marketing planning. Since it's offered by the Wharton School, one of the world's top business schools, it brings exceptional credibility to your learning journey. Here's something many learners don't realize. Individual courses and specializations typically cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you plan to complete more than one course, those costs add up quickly. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Instead of paying for each course separately, you get unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, specializations, professional certificates, and earn unlimited certificates from top universities and companies. For a limited time, you can also get 40% off your first 3 months of Coursera Plus, bringing the price down to just $35.40 per month instead of the regular $59. About $8. Check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer expires.